Oh hey buddy,
Yeah,
today
hey buddy.
I'm gonna do an unboxing.
We're gonna do an unboxing.
Bam.
Okay, stop.
Okay, so no bam.
No bam.
And don't flip the box.
No flip.
Okay, I got you.
Just do it.
Let's try this again. Oh hey buddy,
Hey buddy.
today we're gonna do an unboxing.
Better not flip it.
1983 Chevy Camaro Z28. You know what I'm saying? The box, it's pretty nice. It even show the decals.
Not the decals.
Got all the decals right there. The bottom
Underneath.
or underneath, it shows the parts on the trees.
Our sprues.
You know what I'm saying? They look good. Look real nice. So now let's get into it. You ready?
Yeah,
I'm ready.
Let's get it.
Rip this thing off.
I know you're gonna clean that up.
Here we go. Okay. When you open the box, it don't look like it's a lot of stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of a lot of space in there. It's kind of empty. You know what I'm saying? But we go check it out. All right, we got the chrome up first. We got 2 sets of wheels. I guess we got the custom and we got the factory.
Let's go factory.
Some engine parts. You know what I'm saying? The brakes. It look pretty good. Chrome. We got the clear parts. We got the windshield.
Okay.
Got the back window.
Okay, I got you.
Got the tail lights and the headlights. It's real simple.
All right.
Looks good though.
Yep. That body.
All right, we got the body right here. That's a nice looking car.
How can you tell? Why don't you take it out the package?
Yeah, I want to see what it look like. I want to see what it look like. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is a nice model.
It's so bright. Does it glow in the dark?
I always like Camaros, you know, Z28s.
That's crazy.
I'm more of a Chevy guy, you know.
I'm a Chevy guy.
I like
too.
some Fords, you know. I like Mustang, you know, 5.0. I like that. But I'm more of a Chevy guy. So the Camaro, it look real nice, you know. I don't see no flaws in the body, you know. But of course, I won't be able to tell until I start putting this thing together. It's nice and smooth.
Wouldn't it be weird if it wasn't? What if it was just like rough, like sand?
Yeah, I like it. So that's the body.
X.
Now here go the interior part, whatever you want to call it. Let's open that up. Okay, that's the back bumper part. That's the interior. Looks nice. Not too much detail to it, but
That's how it's supposed to look.
the dash, like I say, it's not a lot of detail, but I think we could do something with that.
Oh yeah.
Check out that dash.
Yep.
It look nice. I mean, for the most part.
For the most part.
Got that. Let's see. Got the hood.
The hood.
But we got a lot of detail underneath.
Let me see.
It even got the
sure
latch.
do.
That's
Okay.
real nice. See the latch?
Yeah, we see it, man.
The wheel parts, the fan, the steering wheel. It's real simple. You know what I'm saying? That spring. The spring is whatever. Anyway,
What's up with that spring?
here
bro?
go all your components right here, you know, for whatever.
Why would you say for the whatever?
Go the exhaust system, you know what I'm saying? Look pretty good.
Look nice.
I could detail that up. And this one.
Dang, why you ripping into that like the Incredible Hulk? Just open it, man. Don't you got scissors?
You got the seats and the front end. Yeah, those seats look pretty nice.
You ever notice everything look pretty nice?
Front and back. And you got that front end right there.
Yeah, that 80s Camaro got a nice front end.
I don't care what year it is.
Okay.
The Camaro always got a nice front end. You know what I'm saying?
Calm down.
I ain't never seen an ugly Camaro.
Nobody asked you.
I mean, body style. I ain't saying individually. You know, you might see one that's painted, messed up, or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but the body styles always look nice. So yeah, got that. Some suspension components.
Suspension components. Okay.
They don't look too bad. They look pretty good.
I knew you was supposed to say
suspension components. And got the engine right here. The radiator. Steering column. Oil pan. Got the mirrors.
The mirrors look nice. Oh, you looking for the shiny part?
Okay. Yeah, the other part of the mirrors is on the chrome, you know.
As expected.
I mean, as expected, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that looked nice. The decals. We saw the decals on the side of the box.
Yeah, I can't wait to see these.
But let's see what they look like in person. Alright. I'm gonna see what it look like in person. Y'all gonna see what it look like on YouTube.
Ain't nobody asked you that.
Okay. Nice and vibrant.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know about the tail lights. I might have to paint them or dye them or something myself. But that's what you got right there.
Look pretty good.
You got some trim lines and everything. I like those Chevy license plates. I like those.
Yeah, that is nice.
I might have to throw one of them on the Monte Carlo. But yeah, it look real nice. Nice and sharp. So we got that. I'm gonna open this chrome up because I open everything else up. I'm gonna open the chrome up so we can see that a little bit better.
What's the real reason?
I feel cheated. You know, I didn't get to see the chrome.
Yeah, you right.
All right, here we go with the chrome.
Can we see?
I don't see any flaws.
We don't see any chrome.
Everything looks nice.
There it is.
You know what I'm saying? Looks real good. So we gonna have fun with this one.
I hope so. That last one. Whew.
I like to put my chrome back in the bag so it don't get all scarred up. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that makes sense.
I leave the other stuff out, but my chrome and my clear parts, I like to keep those in the bag till I'm ready to use them. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. I didn't want to go back.
Cause you ripped the bag.
Now let's go ahead and open these clear parts since we open everything else.
There goes that bag.
About ready to come off. Nice and clear. Got a little scuff mark on there.
Probably from you ripping the bag open.
I like this back window because it got the defrost lines in it.
Anti-fog.
See the defrost lines? They're kind of raised on the underside, so I might be able to do something with that. You know what I'm saying? Paint them like a gold or something. Bronze, you know what I'm saying? Maybe. So it'll look like the actual defrost lines.
Yeah,
defrost, whatever you call it, wires. It looks nice though, so we gonna have fun with this kit. Oh, I almost forgot the tires.
Cannot forget the tires. What are you looking at? Is one of them flat?
Got the tires. You know what I'm saying? They look kind of beefy.
Really?
But I guess that's what's up. Tires. And the instructions. Oh, how'd I got out? Oh,
Remember when you Hulk smashed
that bag? But, go your instructions. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, just open that up. Finger.
The instructions. You know what I'm saying?
We go act like you didn't just spend an hour trying to open that.
It say, read this before you begin. Cement all parts unless otherwise indicated. They got the paint colors. You know the color chart right there.
We know.
Step 1.
No.
You know.
Oh, you got it open.
Basically like all the other instructions. They work on the wheels next, and the suspension, the engine compartment, and the rear suspension, and the interior. And then
Final
you
assembly.
do the final assembly. It actually looks pretty easy. You know what I'm saying? So I don't think we're gonna have too many problems with this one. I'm not gonna do a lot of custom stuff on this.
Yeah,
Probably
right.
won't do any, you know. I just want a simple, nice, fast, quick build, you know what I'm saying?
Nice.
And yeah, so that's it. The Camaro, the 1983 Camaro. That's what it looked like, what it will look like.
Oh,
Well, it probably ain't gonna look like that because I might change the color. I don't know.
That's what I thought.
Anyway, that's what the motor is supposed to look like. The wheel. And with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing.
I enjoyed it. I'm almost out of popcorn.
Check me out. See what I do with it.
Okay.
83 Camaro.
Let's get it.
It would definitely be a fun build.
I like fun.
And I'm out.
Yeah, we out.